Hi Titus, we're doing, hope you're doing well. We're doing 9.5 dividing by decimals. It's on page 200 and 201. Let's do an easy proportional think Bob here. This time I'm starting off with the equation. So how about, which one do you want to do first? Let's do the table first. So if you plug in 0 for x, 3/4 times when x is 0, y is 0. So anyways, you know that it's going to go through the origin. And what would be the next best number to plug in? Well, plug in the denominator. If you plug in 4 for x, what's 3/4 times 4 over 1? The 4's just cancel, y equals 3. And so it's that simple. I don't know if you see it. It's y over x, which is your rate, which is change in y over change in x, which is your rate, which is your, oh, let's go ahead and graph it. If I go over 4 and up 3, over 4, up 3, anyways, there's my line. My slope is 3/4, which is my coefficient, which is my delta y over delta. This is going up 3, and this is going up 4. And if I did another point, it would be 6, 8. After 8 days, if I plug in 8, isn't 8 divided by 4 2? 2 times 3 6. Anyways, this is times 2 times 2. Or doesn't 3/4 equal 6/8? And that's what a proportion is. 3/4 equals 6/8. Proportions are when one fraction equals another fraction. This is just times 2 times 2. Those are equivalent fractions, which is what a proportion is. And proportions are lines that go through the origin. And as an equation, it's just going to be your y over x is going to be your coefficient, just y equals 3/4 x. So Bob has $0 to start with and saves, how much is he saving? He's saving $3 every 4 days. Or you could say he's saving 75 cents a day, right? Isn't 3/4 75 cents? Anyways, there's another, just thinking Bob, proportional. It's proportional because it's a line going through the origin. It's proportional because y over x, if I write y over x, you get equivalent fractions. 3 over 4 equals 6 over 8. And when it's proportional, the fractions are going to be equal, which means you get a line through the origin, right? Anyways, so here we go, 9/5. So this time we're dividing by decimals, and so if you have one decimal, you move it over 1. If you move this one, you move that one. If you had like 2 decimals, you got to move it 2, so you move it 2. And if the decimal's not there, it's always to the right of the number, right? So here we go. So here's number 3. I move it 1, move it 1. So below, I rewrite it. So this is 300 divided by 12, which is 25. Here you get 8 divided by 3.5. I moved it once, so I moved it once. So this is 80 divided by 35, which is blah, 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 blah. And I round to nearest thousands. Number 6, it was 6 divided by 6.2, which means it's going to be less than 1. It's going to be, barely less than 1. I moved it 1, so it's 60 divided by 62, and a lot of dividing, and I rounded. This rounds up because of that 7. Number 12, this is 15 divided by 2.5, which is 150 divided by 25, and just think of quarters. That'd be 6 quarters for $1.50. Just using your head there, try and draw on past knowledge. Move it 2, so this is an ugly one here. This is 4,200 divided by 521. So just kind of round, it's just 8 times 5 is 8 times 500 4,000. So anyways, subtract. I never do the borrowing, I just add. Isn't 32, if I add 32, don't I get that? If I add 2, I get, anyways, I don't borrow, I just add. Or do Jeopardy adding. Bring down. Again, when I get this, I don't subtract. This is just 74. If I add 74, I get that. Goes in once. Maybe I just add 21 plus 19 is 40, and 2 plus 5 is 7. Anyways, so in round. And then number 18, I move it 1, so I move it 1. And it goes in 12 times. Didn't have to do any rounding or anything. Number 21, if I'm cutting it into 0.4, so I'm dividing by 4, like 8 divided by 2. If it was 2 meters, it'd be 8 divided by 2 would be 4. Like, use an easier number if you're not sure, to prove it to yourself. If they're 2 meters a piece, you just need 4 pieces. But 0.4, so this is 80 divided by 4 is 20. And no, it's not gonna be enough because 20 is less than 28. He doesn't have enough. He only has enough for 20 students. Oops, he only got enough for 20 students. Anyways, there you go, buddy. Love you.